the trailer right now. Airlines. Wow. We got the trailer. I'm gonna check out here. Alright guys. All good to go. Now we got 360 miles to Vonore, Tennessee. And I'm leaving today because I wouldn't make it in one day and pickup is tomorrow. So I got plenty of time to make this trip. And this thing is kind of heavy. I'm taking the 69 around it. Kentucky way station. it's a lot of them. I've never seen that many driving, but they just keep hitting the windshield, and it's all dirty. And I'm taking 24 West. Kentucky. Welcome to Tennessee. It's Nashville, baby. We gotta go to 40 East. There's traffic. Yeah. D12 pulling hard. It's a little uphill. All this is cicadas, fellas. Crazy. And we're going uphill, I can't even move. Holy crap. What is going on here? Left lane, but this guy clearly don't give a shit. I'm 60 miles away from Vonore, Tennessee. I think I'm gonna stop for fuel. Like 30 miles. I still have fuel, but I'll stop so I don't have to stop tomorrow. once before. Oh yeah. And here we're gonna do the same. Cleaning the windshield, and here is a cicada. There was a bunch of them. Here is two more. Check this out. How many? How many is here on the grill? That cicadas are easy to clean. There is a bug in Florida. I remember they were flying like a black box. They were flying connected with their asses. Damn, this thing, when it hit your truck, it was like a glue. Like instantly, like a glue. It was really, really hard to clean this thing. We have full tanks. 30 miles to destination. And back on I-40 east. This exit on 321 to I-75. It's about 3-4 miles. Yeah, about 4 miles. chill till tomorrow morning, as the pickup is tomorrow. I'm gonna make some food and relax. And that sound of cicadas. There's gotta be a bunch of them here on this tree. So I'm chilling here, just got my dinner or lunch, and I'm putting my marker light both sides of the bumper. So I got them on the broken ones, got the electric wires already done. So I'm gonna put this little marker light back on. Now I'm drilling on the other side. Second bolt. I mean second hole for the second bolt. Now a hole for the wire. Got all three holes. I'm ready to put the light on. Driver side is mounted. Passenger side. As well as I got one. This one is small. In Indiana we got them way bigger. Can you hear? It's making the noises. I'll let her go. Another one. Or maybe it's the same. The same one. I was thinking to connect it on this double connector, and I'm gonna do it like this. I'll just cut it if I need it to. Welcome back. Using this small torch for the heat shrinks. And one after another is landing here. Take this one out. She went to sleep. And it's working.